Hello everyone, and welcome back to day 2 of signing Worthy of It All by Cece Winans. So this song we're just doing in 3 parts. So today is day 2. We are going to walk through this song from top to bottom. I'm going to do my best to do it just a little slower than the music. But remember, in YouTube, you can always adjust the speed, either slower or faster, any of my videos, to help learn at your pace. Okay, there's not a wrong pace. And also remember that I am left-handed, so that means you're going to mirror my signs. If you still need the lyrics, it's in a link in the description. And then, of course, please consider subscribing. Okay, so from the top, here we go. We can do it. Okay, all the saints and angels, they bow before your throne. Already I'm a little faster, sorry guys. All the leaders cast, remember I do sacrifice, cast their crowns before the Lamb of God and sing, you are worthy of it all. You are worthy of it all. From you are all things. To you are all things. You deserve the glory. And then that repeats. We're going to do it just a touch faster. All the saints and angels bow before your throne. All the elders cast their crown before the Lamb of God and sing, you are worthy of it all. You are worthy of it all. From you are all things. To you are all things. You deserve the glory. And it repeats that course again, that you are worthy of it all. You are worthy of it all. From you are all things. To you are all things. You deserve the glory. Okay, and then there's a little bit of a musical interlude, and then it goes to the bridge. Day and night, night and day, let incense arise. Day and night, night and day, let incense arise. Okay, speed it up a little. Day and night, night and day, let incense arise. And we're going to just do it 4 times, even though it's 8 times in the song. Night and day, let incense arise. And then finally it finishes with, you are worthy of it all. One last chorus. You are worthy of it all, that from you are all things. To you are all things. You deserve the glory. And that's everything you need for this song. So practice as much as you need to, and when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video when we sign with the music. Bye.